Okay, I'm back. Let's be back over.
But yeah, you're right what you're saying there. When they're coming in, okay, not a problem. I'll continue to conduct it. It's no problem.
Roger, that's me back in there, guys. So there's some on the side here, over.
Not a problem, guys. It's not a problem. Let's just go and just take a wee QRS there. You'll simply come to the part of the company that are okay, Greg?
Roger, no bother at all there. More than happy to give it a go, no bother at all. What about yourself, Joe? Have you been work today or what, or over?
Say that again, Greg.
Roger, were you at the work today, or do you work, or are you like myself retired over?
Oh, I'm working full time, yeah. I'm working in the back and stuff, so yeah, I was in today until about 6 o'clock there, so back then I'm off on Friday, and Saturday, and then home a bit early.
Roger, Joe, no bother at all there. You're the man then if I need a mobile phone. I just retired there November after nearly 40 years in a ferry year. So just by the way there, Joe, I'm live streaming this. I'm on YouTube. So if you put on the YouTube there, MI9JGG, you should see it over.
Yeah, Roger, not there. Yeah, you can do it on TikTok. But I'm not sure which tonight, but usually on TikTok, I would like to, yeah.
So it's, if you want to have a wee look at it there and see what you think of it, tell me maybe what the audio's like on it, for sometimes it's just hard enough to get the settings right over. Roger, you'll see the screen there, what I'm using here and what's going on. Everything that's operating there, you'll see at the bottom there the wee oven, but you can see it's only putting out about 60, 70 watts there. The rotators at the top there, radio, and then me sitting on the side here. And I think there's one behind us here somewhere too. How you doing, everyone, over? Yeah, not bad at all. No, it's took a wee bit of work to get it all to work and get into shape and make things do what it should do. But so we're getting there slowly but surely, over.
Yeah, I can see you there, Raven. There, well done, Greg. Well done. Making the 6 bucks for your team. Making the 9, Julius Golf. Yeah. Lovely to see the setup there, Greg.
Roger. Yes, it's the work, ongoing work. I always seem to be doing something. So it is footing on something of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens in here. So it is 4 mainly for the radio and another one's for cameras. And another wee computer I have there. But it's nice. Just come out here and chillax and enjoy it, over.
I see you've got a wee bar in there as well. Plenty of beverages on there as well.
Roger. Yes, indeed. No shortage of a wee pint of Carlsberg, a wee half an over.
Making the 6 bucks for your team. Making the 9 Julius Golf. Well, here, tell you what, Greg, we should have your lifestyle. That's all I'm saying.
Roger. I'll say it's my time to chill now. So it is done the guts of 40 years in the fire brigade there. So living the dream, as the man would say, now over.
Well, I suppose it's going to come to us all there, you know, so I suppose when I get that age myself, I'll go relax and take it easy. Don't know if the life will allow me to relax, but we'll see what happens.
Roger, Roger. It is what you make it. It is what you make it. So it is. So I don't think I've seen you up at the club, Joe. So it is. I think maybe you've been there when I haven't been there, over.
Oh, I haven't been up yet, but I'm planning on getting up. I was going to go up Wednesday, but I forgot to pack a toilet on Wednesday night, so I'm not going to be able to make it on Wednesday night, but on Sunday night, I'll definitely be up on Sunday, and then we've got the intermediate license course on Friday at John Allen, so I'll be there Friday night for that, you know.
Oh, good stuff, good stuff. So it is. Oh, well, that's good. You're doing your intermediate. That's where I went wrong. I see, I done my foundation, and then I did my intermediate more or less straight after it, and I didn't do my full, and I sort of regret it now. For I say it's 2014 for me done mine, so it's hard getting back into school mode, over.
Roger, do you not have like the full license, no?
No, no, I'm an intermediate, over.
Roger, and you never get time to get the full license yet, Greg?
I was doing it a bit there. Gordon sort of had me doing it, and I was reading the book and stuff there, and doing the old tests and stuff, but I just lost interest. So I did. So I'll have to get my head back into it and get it going again, over.
Yeah, that's a lot. And I'm also just keep reading the book and like that, and keep my head down and doing work, you know, it should be okay, you know, so I'm just trying to get class, you know, I hope it's something other things happen, you know.
Ah, yes, yes. Well, Gordon's always at me. Keep it the mock things, that I think on the app. Just keep doing the questions, but I just lost interest in that. So we'll get our head around it. We'll go back into it someday. Give it a wee shout there, Joe, just in case there's maybe somebody trying to pull into us, over.
Yeah, after that, not a problem. Mike, in the six box in the Ukraine calling out. Is anybody else who would like to come in under the frequency? You're more than welcome. Yeah, Mike in the six box in the Ukraine with company. Calling out from Belfast, Northern Ireland. Is there anybody else there who would like to come in under the frequency? You're more than welcome. Yeah, it's pretty quiet now, Greg.
Aye, Roger, yeah, Roger, Joe. Yes, it comes and goes, comes and goes. The next thing there'll be a knock at the door, and there'll be a whole squad of them. So, well, that's the way this whole thing goes. You hear nothing, and then all of a sudden you get a hangover.
Yeah, I think it's a QSK coming in there now. Was that a QSK coming in there? Come on ahead. Was there somebody calling in there? Give us your call sign. Go ahead. And that's the 03 extension is good. 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 You getting him, Greg?
Roger, I'm getting them pretty faint here. I'll try him here and maybe see if we can get us called soon again. MI9 Juliet Golf with company on 71900. The break want to come in there, please, over. The break want to come in there, please, over. MI9 Juliet Golf. Roger, repeat your call sign. Give me your suffix first, over. I think Joey's maybe bleeding over there, so he is. Seems to be somebody either up or down from us coming in, and he's replying back to him, I think, over. He's obviously not hearing us, over.
Yeah, no, I think he was talking to you there. He asked him for the second time, you know.
Roger, we'll give him another chance here. MI9 Juliet Golf with company. MI6 FRQ. MI7 Kilo Uniform Sierra. The break, come on in, please, over. No, I'm not hearing him there. Joe, if you want to give him a shout back, over. Roger, Roger. Somebody's putting out a wee bit of power there, and it's kicking back on us over.
Yeah, 100%. There's a little technical legend back there from CRF.
So again there, MI6FRQ over.
Yeah, you want to take us to legend back there from CRF?
Roger, Roger. MI6 Kilo Uniform Sierra. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf with MI6FRQ. Are you back, Les? Over. Roger, Les, the same thing's happening here. Getting a bit of interference coming in there. I think somebody's down below us or above us there. It can't be too far above us with the bonds. I'll run out shortly. But I think the bonds are maybe changing also. So it is. So it's the way it goes in this old game. So it is. So give Joseph a shout back there, Les. Over.
No problem there. Mike India 6. Open your clean up with Mike India 6. Kilo Uniform Sierra. Are you there? Yeah, Mike India 6. Queen. Go ahead there, Mike India 7. Kilo Uniform Sierra. Go ahead, man. Take a call and make us so that Easy go. I'm at about 8, 4, 8, 2, and I got all these contacts. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why I went around. I've done the foundation and then well, hey boys, I have to let you go. The weight's calling me here, but the weight's just 73, and hopefully we'll be on again. Tomorrow night I got the car lesson, so I might be late one coming on, but I definitely be on at some point. So, but look, I'll send you both of you there, 73, Greg and Les. Mike India 6 Fox Juliet Queen, Mike India 9 Juliet Golf Golf, Mike India 7 Kilo Uniform Sierra. Lovely talking to you, boys.
Roger, MI7 Kilo Uniform. Totally wrong. MI6FRQ, Joseph. No bother at all, Joseph. Hopefully, I'll maybe see you up at the club on Sunday, and we've got a bit of a chinwag or whatever. And I say some night we'll maybe get yourself and Les there a wee bit of a music night going at the barbecue or something. So keep plucking at them strings over.
Yeah, 100% Greg. Take it easy, sir. And Les, I get you on Friday night if you're there, okay, buddy? Roger, Mike India 6 Foxtrot Romeo Queen. Mike India 7 Kilo Uniform Sierra. Yes, so definitely. I see you there Friday night there. And you're, what do you call it, you're at Wigan with you because the next couple of this is going to be a headache over. So I never quite caught that. What did he say, Greg?
Roger, it was laser, but I think the next couple of chapters are going to be quite difficult over.
Yeah, we'll start looking at that book tonight, but I'm going to get into bed tonight, and tomorrow night I'm going to be looking over that 5 by chapter, so it is going to be very difficult, I would imagine. Right, boys, 73, take it easy.
Alright, Joseph, all the best, 7-3s, have a good night, and have a good read of that book there, and pass some of it my way if you can, over. Les, how are you now, over?
Not too bad there, Mike India 9, Juliet Golf, Mike India 10, Kilo Uniform 0. I'm getting all these calls right now, there, but not too bad. I'm going to kind of short very soon here, and hopefully that's something that I think we're doing goal here, favorite one, yeah, for a couple of hours today, so we're going to give a wee hand them off.
Roger, yes, yes. I see Gordon's just come in there in the WhatsApp. We comment there for you for Friday night. So it is. So he's obviously listening. He's maybe giving us a wee look in there on YouTube as well. I'll give him a wee wave there. All right, Gordon, how are you? Good to see you on the old text there. Do better if you get on the radio. Over.
No, did I crack there on? I really enjoyed myself there today again. That didn't get me back up and rolling. Just changed the corner all there, looking like famous from the first class radio, whatever. That's okay, we don't do that. I'm just going back to go competition, but it's good to get on.
Yes, yes, indeed. There's 100%. So it is MI6 Kilo Uniform Sierra, MI9 Juliet Golf Golf. What is it? Yes, that's what it's all about. Bit of crack, bit of banter. So it is seeing how everybody's working and how it's working for them, and if anybody needs a bit of help or whatever. That's what it's all about. Over.
Roger, making the name, Juliet Golf Golf. Kilo Uniform Sierra. No, definitely get a contact. I'm home cooking new voice. It's been great. So, I'll cut you loose there. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf. This is Mike India 7, Kilo Uniform Sierra. And I'll see you on Wednesday night there. Is it there?
Roger, there's no bother at all there. We've got somebody just come in there tramping over us. The frequency's in use. The frequency's in use. The frequency's in use. MI9, Juliet Golf Golf. Yes, there's no bother. I'll be up Wednesday night there, and I'll maybe bring my wee go box. Let you have a look at it. So it is. I've nearly finished it. So it is. So I'll take that up and let you get a look at it. So 7.3's Les MI7 KUS from MI9 Juliet Golf Golf. 7.3's Les. All the best. I'll just stay on the frequency here and give a couple of CQs. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf calling CQ CQ40. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf calling CQ CQ40. 7.190 Mike India 9 Japan Guatemala over.
Mike 6 Lima India Yankee.
Mike 6 again please.
Mexico 6 Lima India Yankee.
Roger, Mike 6 Lima India Yankee, and that is hard. And hard is just tells me England. What does England? Let me see anything else. And you are address and withheld. So it's just England over.
Roger, my friend. Good evening to you. I didn't get your call, son. Could you please repeat, sir?
Roger. The call here is Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, Mike India 9, Japan, Germany, over.
Sorry, negative. Another nearby station coming in slowly, over.
Roger, just give me 1 second here and I'll tell him the frequency's in use. The frequency is in use. The frequency's in use. Yeah, the call again is hard MI9, Juliet Golf Golf, Mike Italy 9, Japan, Germany, over.
Okay, no problem. Mike, 1, 9, Juliet Golf Golf. You're 5 and 9, my friend. 5 and 9,
Roger, you're also 59 into Northern Ireland here. The name is Greg, Golf Romeo Echo Golf, and I'm 17 miles outside Belfast, over.
Roger, my friend. Well, you're my first contact of the year. I've recently put my G5 RV up. I've got a few antennas, and I'm trying to get back into the hobby, so congratulations.
Roger, indeed. Brilliant, you're getting back in there. I do wee things like that myself now and again. I go in and I go off and come back and say I've sort of come back with a bit of a thunder. I've bought quite a bit of equipment here. We're running here the Yasuri FTDX 101D. We're running here at 40 meters at the minute on a main fed half-wave antenna. We also have a hex beam, Diamond X510 and a 4-meter beam with a Yasuri FT847, a TYT9800 and a wee Moxon for 4 meters, and the beam with 6 bands over.
Okay, my friend, I will log you. I'm getting a few nearby stations. Just walking you out. Great to speak to you. Many thanks for the contact,
Roger, Hard, you're very welcome, no bother, and your signal's 59 plus 20, 59 plus 20, over.
What is your personal name, my friend?
Roger, the name is Greg Golf, Romeo Echo Golf. Greg, over.
Roger, Greg, thank you, my friend. I'm going to log you. You'll be my first log of the year. So, look forward to that, Greg. I'll say 7 days. I am getting wiped out by nearby stations, and I hope to work you again. M19JGG from M6 L1.
Roger, M6 Lima India Yankee from MI9 Juliet Golf. I've also logged you myself there, Hard. Pleasure speaking to you, and hopefully we'll get you again. So 7 3s from MI9 Juliet Golf. Have a good week.
7 3s, Greg. Hope to work you again, my friend. M19JGG from M6 L1.
Roger, thank you. MI9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ on 40. 7190. Mike at 9 Juliet Golf. Over.
Now they come.
MI9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG. Calling CQ on 40. Over. The frequency is in use. The frequency is in use. MI9 Juliet Golf. We are using the frequency. MI9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG. Calling CQ 40 7190. Standing by. Over. Mike India 9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40 17190. MI9 Juliet Golf. Mike India 9 Japan Guatemala. Calling CQ on 40. Over. Mike India 9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG. Calling CQ on 40. Over. Mike India 9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG. Calling CQ 40. Over. Mike India 9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. Mike India 9 Juliet Golf. Calling CQ 40. MI9 Juliet Golf. MI9 JGG. Calling CQ 40. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, Pony CQ CQ 40. MI9, JGG, Pony CQ CQ 40. MI9, Japan, Guatemala, Guatemala, Pony CQ 40 on 7190. Standing by, over.
Yeah, top shot, Golf for 0, Bravo Echo Alpha.
Foxtrot Golf, is that over?
Yeah, top shot, Golf for 0, Bravo Echo Alpha. D0 BEA in Southwest France, near Bordeaux in Southwest France. My name is Phil Papa, Hotel India Lima, QSL.
Roger, Roger, indeed. Thank you very much, sir, for coming back to me. Just give me the call again there. I think I had a Foxtrot in front of you, over.
Yeah, it's stroke. Do the other way, Golf at 0, Bravo Echo Alpha, D0 BA stroke F, QSL.
So, just correct me here if I'm wrong. Golf 0 Bravo Echo Alpha /F, over.
Yeah, Roger, I'm in Bordeaux in Southwest France, QSL. Name is Phil Papa, Hotel India Lima, QSL.
Roger, Roger, Phil, you're coming in here an absolute blinder. You're coming in 59 plus 10 into Northern Ireland, over.
Yeah, Roger, what's your name, over?
Roger, Roger, the name on this side is Greg, Golf Romeo Echo Golf, and the location is just 17 miles outside Belfast, over.
What was that, Greg?
Roger, Roger, Greg, Golf Romeo Echo Golf, over.
Yeah, Roger, Greg, good evening, mate. You're 5 and 9 with me anyway. No problem at all, mate, hearing you from this outside Belfast. But there you go. Yeah, it's a nice film. And I'm in the shack this evening because it's been over 30 degrees most of the day today. And it's slowly cooling down. Slowly. It's slowly as well. And I've probably got 3 more days of this 35 plus degrees day. So I'll be on the radio during the day. Greg, but it's nice to hear you. And it's a while since I've been in Northern Ireland. It's got quite a few years. Used to go there quite often years ago. And Southern Ireland, but there you go, Greg. But winning an FT450 from the A2. 125, 130 watts into a 40 meter dipole. And the microvoltage short triple 4, which belongs to my same very old 72101. So there you go. Anyway, back to you, Greg. MI9, I think it is. Juliet Golf Golf. Foxtrot Golf 0 Bravo Echo Alpha.
Roger, Foxtrot Golf 0 Bravo Echo Alpha from MI9 Juliet Golf Golf. Yep, it certainly working well for the FT 450. At this end, we're on a Yaesu FTDX 101 Delta with the UK's antenna then fed half wave up to 80 meters. We also have a hex beam for HF on the other bands, a wee FT at 47 and a TYT. So I'm actually live streaming this at the minute on YouTube. If you want to hear yourself back there, you'll be able to do that. Just put in my call, MI9 Juliet Golf Golf, into YouTube, and you'll see us live there, over.
Yeah, Roger, on that, Greg, no problem at all, mate. No computers in my shack, I'm afraid. Not enough space in my shack. My shack is quite small. It's just stuck in this corner in the small bedroom, so there's not enough room. I've got another piece of equipment. I've got an ST101, which is under the bed at the moment, so it's just too big for the shack. Very great, but nice to meet you, mate. Obviously the first time I think we worked, I'm trying to think. I don't think I've worked a night before, actually. I'm not quite sure, but I might have. I'm not sure. But, anyway, carry on, Greg. Nice to meet you for the first time. As I say, you're 5 and 9. Probably peaking 5, around 5 at times, but this is quite a good display evening, Greg. What about you for
Roger, Roger, you're more than welcome there, Phil. Pleasure speaking to you. And your signal is also 59 plus 5 plus 10. And great audio. So 7 threes, and thank you for coming into my call. And hopefully we will catch you again on the bonds. According to my log, it's the first time we've spoken. So hopefully it'll not be the last, and we'll get you again. From MI9, Juliet Golf Golf, 7 threes. Thank you.
Yeah, it's been a pleasure, Greg. 73, bye-bye.
7 threes. Thank you. MI9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ 40, MI9, JGG, over. QRZ, Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ 40, MI9, JGG, calling on 7.190. MI9, Japan, Guatemala, calling CQ on 40, over. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ on 40. MI9 JGG, calling CQ on 40 on 7.190. Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, standing by, over. Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ on 40. MI9 JGG, calling CQ 40. Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, over. CQ. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ on 40. MI9 JGG, calling CQ on 40. Mike Italy 9, Japan, Guatemala, calling CQ 40, over. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ 40. Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, standing by, over. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG, calling CQ 40. Mike Italy 9, Juliet Golf Golf, over. Mike India 9, Juliet Golf Golf, calling CQ 40. MI9 JGG, calling CQ on 40, over. MI9, Juliet Golf Golf, clearing the frequency. MI9 JGG. Thanks everyone, if anybody's listening, for coming into me and the group there tonight, myself and Les and Joseph, and anybody else that was there. Pleasure speaking to you all. 7 3s. Have a good evening. Frequency clear. Mike India 9 and Juliet Golf Golf. MI9 JGG. Mike Italy 9 JGG. Calling CQ 20. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf, over. It's set out. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf. Calling CQ 20. MI9 JGG. It's set out. MI9JGG. MI9 Juliet Golf Golf. Calling CQ CQ20. Over.